Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Crosscut Sled Kit is probably one of the most important additions you can make to your workshop if you're serious about woodworking. It dramatically improves the accuracy and safety of your cuts on a table saw. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great cross-cut sled, covering everything from build quality to ease of use, so you can make the right choice for your needs. Number 5. POWERTEC Table Saw Sled Kit. Tired of inaccurate cuts? This kit provides the hardware you need to build a table saw sled. It helps you cut boards to precise lengths, eliminating measuring errors. The kit includes 12-inch universal T-tracks, 19 HDPE miter bars, a star knob, bolts, screws, and an instruction sheet. Everything you need is right here. Crosscutting becomes safer, more efficient, and convenient with this kit. It allows you to avoid potential hazards when working with smaller pieces. The T-tracks are made of solid extruded aluminum, and the miter bars are crafted from high-density polyethylene, HDPE. This ensures durability and stability. The T-tracks are 12 inches long, and the HDPE bars are 19 inches. The kit also includes a threaded star knob, a hex head bolt, and flat head with screws. What we like. This kit provides all the necessary hardware for precise and safe crosscuts. It ensures accuracy and prevents measuring errors, making your woodworking projects easier. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient solution to improve your table saw's performance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The set came with clear instructions, and with the more specialized parts, miter bars and screws, you supply and cut the rest, namely a piece of plywood. The T-track and knob are not strictly necessary. You can set up a stop block with a leftover block of wood and any C-clamp, but useful all the same. This miter gauge could be set to 0 side-to-side play for my saw, so that is good. Number 4. POWERTEC Table Saw Sled Kit, 71703. This DIY kit includes everything you need. It features a T-track for mounting stops and fixtures. This makes cutting boards to precise lengths easier. The kit comes with a 24-inch T-track, 19-inch HDPE miter bars, a 3-inch flip stop, and a blade guard. It also includes screws and bolts. These components ensure accuracy and safety. This sled makes crosscutting safer and more efficient. It prevents measuring errors. Using this, you can avoid risking your limb when crosscutting smaller pieces. The T-track is made of solid extruded aluminum. The miter bars are crafted from high-density polyethylene. These materials ensure durability and stability. The universal T-track is 24 inches long. The HDPE bars are 19 inches long. The kit also includes a 3-inch flip stop and various screws and bolts. These dimensions ensure a perfect fit for your table saw. What we like. This kit includes a blade guard for enhanced safety and a flip stop for precise cuts. It is designed to make crosscutting safer and more efficient. If you are a DIY enthusiast who values safety and accuracy, this kit will be a great addition to your workshop. What people say. The set came with clear instructions, and with the more specialized parts, miter bars and screws, you supply and cut the rest, namely a piece of plywood. The T-track and knob are not strictly necessary. You can set up a stop block with a leftover block of wood and any C-clamp, but useful all the same. This miter gauge could be set to 0 side-to-side play for my saw, so that is good. Number 3. DIY Crosscut Table Saw Sled Kit. This kit greatly improves cutting accuracy. It makes saw operation safer, and steadies the workpiece while shielding your finger from harm. You can create your own special table saw sled to meet your needs. The sense of accomplishment and creativity will bring you more motivation and confidence in your saw working. You may build your own unique sled to fit your table saw. Make your desired crosscut sled size and meet your unique cutting requirements. The kit includes 3 4-foot x 3/8 UHMW bars and aluminum T-tracks. The UHMW bars fit most table saws and slide smoothly. Attention, the bars do not fit RYOBI table saw track slots. The package includes crosscut table saw sled accessories and a specific guide booklet. It backs its products within 90 days guarantee. Please do not hesitate to reach out if you encountered any problem, we will reply in 24 hours and provide you a satisfactory solution. What we like. This kit offers the fun of DIY and allows you to build a sled tailored to your needs. It significantly improves cutting accuracy and steadies the workpiece. If you enjoy hands-on projects and want a custom solution for your table saw, this kit is ideal. What people say. Works as advertised. Great value and quality. Fit and accuracy as expected. Works well and easy to use. Good quality parts. Comes with instructions for a basic sled with a 1-2 in base. Number 2. Dubby Cut-Off Sled for Table Saw. This is the Dubby sled, designed for precise and accurate miter cuts. It helps you achieve perfect angles every time, making your projects easier and more enjoyable. It's ideal for various projects, ensuring accuracy and safety. The Dubby sled can handle panels up to 24 inches wide and 52 inches long. It eliminates material walking, ensuring perfectly square cuts for your furniture and cabinet projects. This makes the process quick, easy, and accurate. The angle scale is incredibly simple, accurate, and easy to read. It's 15 to 20 times more accurate than a standard miter gauge. The scale has predetermined lines for various shapes, eliminating the need for calculations or test cuts. The Dubby sled offers superior safety compared to other miter gauges. The hold-down clamp provides a secure way to cut small pieces, keeping your fingers safe. The clamp offers 35 pounds of hold-down pressure and pivots out of the way when not needed. The Dubby sled is compatible with most cabinet and contractor table saws. Ensure your saw has a 3/4 inch wide x 3/8 deep miter slot and measures at least 27 from front to back. Please note, it may not work with most job site table saws, so measure before ordering. What we like. This sled excels at cutting precise miters and is designed for safe operation, especially when cutting small pieces. Its angle scale is simple and accurate, eliminating the need for complex calculations. If you like making frames or cutting small pieces, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. If you take the time to carefully set it up, you will cut dead-on accurate miters. Greatly improve an already good product. The guide bar for repeatable cuts is beautifully designed and is a feature I underappreciated until I started using the tool regularly. Number 1. Fulton 17 DIY Table Saw Crosscut Sled Kit. If you own a table saw, you know how tricky crosscuts can be. This kit is designed to make those cuts easier and more accurate. It helps stabilize your work, ensuring precision with every cut. We noticed many people needed a solution for better cuts, so we created this kit. It includes everything you need to build your own custom crosscut sled, perfect for your table saw. The kit features UHMW bars, known for their low friction. Unlike wood, these bars won't expand or contract with weather changes. They ensure smooth, residue-free cuts every time. Included are solid extruded aluminum tracks, made in the USA. These tracks are cut to the perfect length for your sled subfence. They allow for repetitive cuts without constant measuring. A full-color, detailed guide is included to help you build your sled. The kit comes with UHMW bars, mini tracks, a knob, a bolt, and the guide. Build the size you need for your specific cutting tasks. What we like. This kit comes with pre-cut UHMW bars and an easy-to-follow guide, making it simple to build your own crosscut sled. The UHMW bars ensure smooth operation and won't expand or contract with weather changes. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-build solution, it is the perfect choice. What people say. I like that it's just the hardware, so it allows me to build it to the size that I'm comfortable with. This is my first time using a crosscut sled, and one unexpected extra advantage, aside from obviously giving me better control over the piece I'm cutting, I noticed is that there is far less sawdust thrown out of the top of the table saw simply because there's literally no room for it to come out the top. If you've never built a sled before, this kit is a good start. I built my first with it and it included all the pieces needed, with exception of the wood. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.